How many Mexicans does it take to change a light bulb? Only one. Hey guys, I know we're a little into lockdown, so I thought I'd alleviate you of your boredom by introducing you to one of my favorite languages, also the fourth most spoken language in the world. This is Spanish, so let's get right to it. So are you ready to learn some Spanish, impress your friends, family, significant other, and yourself? Well, let's start with some introductions and greetings. When greeting, most resort to hola, hi. But if you want to be more formal, you want to use buenos, good, and días, day, or noches, night. So, buenos días, good day, buenos noches, good night. Some questions you need to know include ¿Cómo estás? How are you? You reply with Estoy bien, gracias. Y tú? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Words like por favor, please, de nada, you're welcome, and perdón, excuse me, are also useful. Another important thing is knowing how to ask for help. ¿Puedo ayudarme? Can you help me? No hablo español. I don't speak Spanish. Estoy perdido. I am lost. And podría ayudarle. Can I help you? Did you hear about the Spanish magician that disappeared? He went uno, dos, and then disappeared without a tres. Also, you should know that this word is pronounced Mexico. And this word is pronounced mojito. Now, when it comes to pronunciation, there's a couple of things you need to note. For example, you pronounce everything you see. It's not like French. Also, H is usually silent, like hacer. And J is usually pronounced as H, like jugar. And V is usually pronounced as B, like veo. If you look at this table, you can see a lot of words in Spanish are exactly like their English translation. And if you're stuck and need to Spanishify a word, you can look for patterns. For example, words that start with S in English start with ES in Spanish, like Spain, España, special, especial. And words that end in ITY in English end in IDAD in Spanish. For example, velocity, velocidad, objectivity, objetividad, sentimentality, sentimentalismo, but like I said, there's a couple of exceptions to every rule. But as you keep learning phrases, you'll understand how to Spanishify things using context, and the exceptions will make a lot more sense. Now, these words are called friends because they're your friend when you're trying to speak Spanish. These are the easiest words to learn, and you can usually survive conversation with them. You also have to be careful of false friends, i.e. words that look like an English word but mean something entirely different. For example, embarazada is pregnant, not embarrassed. Largo is long and not large. Éxito is success, not exit. And chocar is to hit or punch and not to choke. These I learned the hard way. If you like this video, there's a couple ways of letting me know. Other than that, stay happy and keep practicing. I'll see you next week.